I'm Sven, welcome to my workshop. Some people will be asking me about my Viking kit. So this is my Mastermyr box. It's based on a stray find in Mastermyr in Denmark. And the box itself was made by Natalie Vassilaka. The hinges were made by Steve Nicol, and I actually made the lock with help from people like Gary Bannister, who did all the fiddly bits. So this is what it looks like on the inside. There we go. So I've got a range of tools based on the Mastermyr find. So some of them I made myself, some were made by other people. Okay, let's go through the tools. Okay, so I've got a number of the spoke shaves. The ones I've got here are actually made by a guy in the UK, Daegrad. Not nice work, come in handy for various jobs. And that one too. Okay. In here, I've also got an axe made by, can't remember his name, he's from Nemas. I can see his face but I can't remember his name. I'll let people know. But this was found, well, the original was found in a paddock nearby to the Mastermyr find. But it's a handy, heavy hand axe. Okay. I've also got the throw. I try and protect the blades where I can, and so I've still got to do a bit of work. So that just slides off. Okay, so that's the throw. There's a number of hammers. Daegrad. And Daegrad again. I've made a number of the spoon bits, and they come in handy. But you've got to make sure that the wooden block will fit inside the chest. Oh yeah, that's the other one. So that's the other spoon bit I've got. Chisel by Daegrad. And a little adze. It's handy for digging chests and other things. Okay. So that's the nail header I made myself. It's come in handy. It's actually got more holes than the original for different size nails. Saws. Saws by Daegrad. That's got a fine tooth. That's actually a much wider tooth. And there is a frame saw, which I will put together and show you what it looks like. Okay, so it's got holes in the end. Now the blade goes that way. Okay, so there's slots in the end. Okay, that's that side. There you go. Okay. So we've got a piece of wood. There should be some string. No, not that one. tie the string up. Put a loop. Okay, so this winds around to apply tension. So there you go, that's ready to use. So that's the frame saw by Daegrad. And finally, we'll go for the Mastermyr bread knife saw. This is made by Dr. Timothy Dawson. So that comes in handy for little saw jobs. Other things I've got in here are various nails. Oh, the trivet. There's a lot of other cooking stuff in here. Pots. Let's see, the slotted tray, or the hanger, whatever you want to call it. I've also got a striker. I can't remember who made that. And I've also got a bit of sandstone for sharpening things. So that's my kit so far, and yes, I plan to add other bits as I go. That's it. Okay. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe. Have a safe one. Bye.